Hey y'all, it's your girl Jessica, and we are back with another video. As you guys can see, I am excited. I am hype. We are showcasing the colored Raine Safari Raine palette, baby. This palette, honey, like, I've been waiting for this one to relaunch, okay? Waiting for it. Alrighty, so I'm just going to step away quickly, do my brows, and we jumping straight into eyes. This video will be solely focusing on our eyes today. So I'll be using my P.Louise Rumor number 3 base. And we're going to make sure we get a nice liberal amount of that all over the eyes. Alrighty, so now we take a fluffy blender brush and just blend out the edges and just make sure that that base isn't caked up all over the eye and just has a nice smooth surface. Okay? Already taking that palette, the first color that I'll be using, well, first of all, pause, look at it. Look at the packaging. Color Raine, I love the way they package their palettes. I just feel like the brand is just so, I love Color Raine. I honestly don't have anything bad to say. I truly don't. And just look, the big old mirror that you get. You get a total of, I believe, what? 9 shades. I think that's 9 shades. I can't count today. I believe that's 9 shades. But that's what it looks like. It's just beautiful earth tone neutral colors that looks amazing on melanated skin, honey. Whew! Like, whew! That palette is fire. Alrighty, so I think the first color that I'm going to jump into is this green color called Congo Basin. And that's going to be my transition color. So I'm just using a fluffy blender brush. And like I said, that shade is called Congo Basin. And I'm just applying that all in my transition. One helpful tip, guys, when doing your eyeshadow, lift your brows. You see how my brows are lifted as I'm going in and blending and making sure that that transition color is nice and just buffed out. Lift your brows, honey. I promise it will do wonders for you, darling. Okay. Okay, so now that we have that transition color on both eyes, look at how pretty that green is. Like, oh my God. That is like the perfect, just like army green. Alrighty, so as we proceed, so we're going to just make sure that that's nice and blended out. Then we're going to go into Jungle, which is that darker green on the same row. And that's going to be our deeper crease color. And I'm not even going to hold you. That shade was so pigmented. Like, I was shocked at how pretty that green was. So I'm just going in with the tapered Morphe blending brush and just blending that into my crease and also kind of dragging it down onto my lid a little bit. You'll see later why. You'll see later why. Just hold on. Just hold on. Be patient. And of course, what you do to one eye, you do to the other. So just going back in with that jungle, just like bottled green. That's what that color reminds me of. All my OG MAC artists and fans, that color reminds me a lot of MAC's bottled green, but better, baby. Better. MAC could never. Okay? And I'm just going to go in and make sure that is nice and blended. So now we're going to take that center green color, which is called Green Valley. It's such a pretty shimmer color. And I kid you not, I applied it with my finger and I almost cried. Like, do you see, my camera is not picking up the level of pigmentosity, pigmentosity that this shadow is giving me. Like, it is absolutely stunning. Do you see, like, oh my gosh, stunning. So I'm just applying that all over my main part of my lid, going in with a small small flat C-shaped brush, just to make sure I really get in there and get that shadow nice and popping, and blending that with that darker green jungle color that we also used. Alrighty, I'm not gonna lie, I needed just a little bit more depth, so I took my James Charles X Morphe palette, and I just took that dark, that black color, which is Spooky, I believe. And I just put a little bit of that in the crease. Just give me a little bit more depth, just a little bit more depth. You know, not as much nobody gotta know. Alrighty, so we're just gonna keep that moving on like so, like that, as Tabitha would say. Then I'm going to take my liquid liner. I believe this is the Benefit one. Don't quote me, I can't remember. I believe this is like the Benefit one, the roller liner. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to make the shape of my wing liner, right? Check this out, check me out. I'm going to fill it in with the black liner, like so, like that. Then I'm going to take the Safari palette and I'm going to take that jungle color, that dark green that we use in the crease, and just stamp it across. Because I wanted a wing liner, but I didn't want something too dark that would clash. And honey, when I tell you, wait till you see this wing. Wait till you see this wing. And as you can see, I didn't pull it all the way out. I kind of just wanted it to disappear into the crease. So that's pretty much what we got going there. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to the opposite eye. So now I'm gonna take Toucan, which is like this really pretty like copper color, and I'm gonna use that as my inner tear duct color. And we're just gonna lightly put that on like a small fluffy blending brush. Of course, I'm gonna wet it first because you really want that foil, and pop that right there. I don't know if my camera is picking up the level of bombness, but when I say to you, Toucan is bomb, that it is. So I'm just gonna put that in my inner tear duct and just blend it out and make sure that it's not stark and that the edges around are nice and blown out and just melt into the entire look. But can y'all see that? Do y'all see how bomb this eye look is? Just going through and just blending and making sure everything stays seamless. So these are the lashes that I'll be putting on off camera. And then we're gonna jump into, oh, actually, I guess I'm putting these lashes on camera. So I'm just gonna quickly coat my lashes using my favorite mascara. I think this is the Man Eater mascara by Tarte. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. This was a gift from like ULTA, and I love this mascara so much. It is so bomb. So as you guys can see, I'm just blowing on my lashes to get the glue to dry. You never want to pop your lashes on while the glue is too wet. You want it to get a little tacky. And I'm singing and feeling myself, not the bangs. Oh, oh, whoa, whoa. So all the things that I do while my lashes are drying, you know, these are some of the things you can do to wait while the glue dries. Alrighty, so once you get that glue to be nice and tacky, you really want to just go in and just pop that lash on as close as you can get it. I always tuck my outer corner first, then tuck my inner corner, and then secure the middle. Like so, like that, as Tabitha would say. And pretty much do the same thing to the other eye. So apply it, set the lash down as close as you can, tuck your outer corner, tuck your inner corner, and then pinch across. Best advice I can get you for putting on. Best advice I could give you for putting on strip lashes. Okay? Can't say I didn't tell you. Can't say I didn't try. Good luck and good day. And just when you thought we was done, we not. We're going to take this Stila liquid, what is it? Liquid Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. And this is in the color Vivid Jade. And I'm going to pop that on my lower lash line, right? Check me out, check me out. Pop that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Jungled from the Safari Raine palette. And I'm going to go over that and just smudge it out like so. Like that, and it makes this really pretty shimmery, like foily pretty effect. I thought it was so nice, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna do the same to both eyes, y'all. So look at these eyes, okay? Look at these eyes, honey. Where's she going? Who is she? This palette is where you want to be, baby, trust me. So as you guys can see, I'm just gonna spray the rest of my face and just set that and make sure I am in love with this eye look. Oh my God. All right, and we about to come together.
So this is the final look. Come on, Colored Raine. Colored Raine, come on out. Oh my God, this palette. Hold on, like, let me just get close so you guys can see. Can y'all see the eyes? Y'all see the eyes? Colored Raine. What is we saying? Like, first of all, Colored Raine has some of my favorite eyeshadows to date. When I got the Power Palette just like a month or two ago or a few months ago, and then now this, and they Juicy Boost line is dropping like next week. Colored Raine has become my favorite eyeshadows, and I make a promise that I will slowly but surely start to integrate my entire kit with nothing but Colored Raine shadows. If you do not have this palette, sucks for you, because she is not bringing it back out. This was the last release, which was, I believe, Juneteenth. I grabbed it way back then. I'm just now filming with it. I know. Don't judge me. But, you know, your girl's busy. You know, this YouTube thing is just a hobby for me. Speaking of that, thank you to all my little makeup community, my subscribers. I see you guys. We are growing. I think we're at past, like, we're what, 160, 170? I don't even know. But I see that we're growing, and I thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really do. I have to throw that in there. But yeah, so this is the final look, guys. I'm trying to hurry up so I can go outside and take some pictures for you and really get this popping. Got my little 99-cent store head wrap on. But yeah, the Safari palette, she did that. She absolutely did. Colored Raine, you did that. Alrighty, so it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you share it with your friends and family, and go ahead and subscribe. You know you want to. You see I'm tons of fun. You see these shoulders. You see this melanin. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Stop playing. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. So with that being said, I'm out this beach. While I still got daylight, I'm about to go take some pictures. Ooh, you see the shoulders. Oh, you see the shoulders. You see these shoulders. Hey.